Autonomous truck yard. Let's head to Texas to witness a groundbreaking achievement in logistics. A 160,000 square meter distribution center has become the world's first to operate with a fleet of fully autonomous trucks. These trucks efficiently handle operations at 750 trailer sites using advanced artificial intelligence. This autonomous truck yard represents a major leap forward in transportation logistics. It uses AI, machine learning, and computer vision to optimize the movement of trailers and containers. By doing so, the system significantly reduces costs, improves safety, and addresses staffing challenges, especially during labor shortages. This deployment at a large distribution center marks the first commercial use of autonomous yard trucks. These trucks operate 24/7, in any weather conditions, without needing human intervention. The result is a drastic reduction in accidents and collisions, making the system safer and more efficient. One of the biggest advantages is its ability to integrate smoothly with existing yard and warehouse management systems. It requires no extra infrastructure, making it a practical solution for companies looking to upgrade. Developed with MIT AI research, these autonomous trucks are designed to adapt to various environments and work alongside humans. In 2023, the company received the Supply Tech Breakthrough Autonomous Truck of the Year award, recognizing its innovation in logistics. BYD DiSus. Meet the YangWang U8, a revolutionary car powered by 4 electric motors, producing a combined 1,287 horsepower. But it's not just the power that stands out, it's the BYD DiSus system, enabling the car to jump and even dance. The U8 features scissor doors that resemble those of a Lamborghini. It also comes equipped with the DSP Smart Hydraulic Body Control System, working in tandem with DiSus A, an intelligent pneumatic system for managing air elements, and DC adaptive shock absorbers that control each wheel independently. Still not convinced? Take a look at the YangWang U9, which manages to accelerate like a hypercar, even with only 3 wheels. BYD has truly redefined the possibilities with this innovative technology. For those unfamiliar, the BYD DiSus system is a groundbreaking vehicle body control technology designed to boost both safety and performance in new energy vehicles. The system consists of 3 main components. 1. DSC, Intelligent Damping Control. 2. DiSus A, Intelligent Air Control. 3. DiSus P, Intelligent Hydraulic Control. Together, these systems control the car's vertical, lateral, and longitudinal movements, enhancing stability on challenging terrains like snow and mud. Unlike traditional systems, DiSus offers a holistic approach to motion control. It reduces the risk of rollovers and enhances overall vehicle stability and handling. The DiSus P system makes its debut in the YangWang U8, while DiSus A is featured in the Denza N7. Plus, the DSC is available through over-the-air updates for select BYD models. At a global event, BYD demonstrated the YangWang U9 showcasing its advanced capabilities, including driving on 3 wheels, solidifying BYD's position as a leader in intelligent vehicle technology. Cargo Tech Pro. Cargo Tech Pro is a versatile solution for professionals who need to transport materials and equipment. Whether you're a plumber, landscaper, or builder, this organizer can make your job easier. It's designed with modular components that are perfect for keeping your cargo secure. Cargo Tech Pro comes in 2 configurations. One set includes 4 corner pieces and 16 cam locks, while the other offers 2 corner pieces and 8 cam locks. Assembly is simple. Just secure the standard planks between the corners to create a customizable containment frame. This frame is ideal for carrying items like 5-gallon buckets, PVC pipes, and drywall. Adjustments are quick and easy. Just unlock the cam locks, slide the corners, and lock them back in place. You can also use optional screw holes to adjust the height by adding taller or wider pieces of wood. Or, you can use it without planks to create a smaller frame. For added convenience, Cargo Tech Pro has attachment points on the top and sides, allowing you to secure your cargo with bungee cords, tie-down straps, or rope. The textured underside ensures stability, preventing the organizer from shifting, even on painted truck beds or liners. It's perfect for SUVs, trucks, and vans, making it a must-have for professionals like contractors, plumbers, and landscapers. Each set includes 4 modules for about $100, with optional pine boards available for $25. ClearLidz, the ultimate Jeep roof upgrade. You might assume that the wealthiest people in the world drive luxury cars or own famous brands like Chanel, but in reality, Jeep owners are among the wealthiest. That's why ClearLidz is offering something special for Jeep enthusiasts. A panoramic transparent roof panel that brings an open-air feel to your Jeep without the hassle of removing the top. Introducing the ClearLidz Panoramic Freedom Top, designed specifically for the Jeep Wrangler JL, 2018 and up, and Gladiator JT, 2020 and up. This hardtop panel gives you a 180 degrees panoramic view, so you and your passengers can enjoy the sky above while staying protected from the elements. Made from military-grade polycarbonate, this top is strong enough to withstand impacts from road debris, ensuring you get the protection you need. And don't worry about it yellowing or losing its clarity over time. The UV protection keeps it looking new while reducing the temperature inside your vehicle by up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit compared to the outside. The ClearLidz panel also filters out UV rays, which slows heat buildup inside the Jeep, making it more comfortable on hot days. No more unbearable interior heat after a long drive. Plus, it protects against rain, snow, and harsh sunlight, allowing natural light to flood the interior without compromising comfort. Installing the ClearLidz panel is quick and simple. It fits into your Jeep's factory mounting points and doesn't require any tools. You can swap it out with your original factory roof in under 10 minutes. No hassle, no stress. Whether it's a sunny day or a rainy one, you can easily switch between the transparent top and your regular roof. The ClearLidz Panoramic Freedom Top works with both 2-door and 4-door models of the Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. It's perfect for Jeep lovers who want the ultimate outdoor experience without compromising on protection. This top is proudly manufactured in the United States using high-quality materials. And while it offers top-notch durability and performance, it's available for $1,300. A great investment for any Jeep owner looking to enhance their ride. eSpear. Shark attacks are rare, but they do happen. In 2023, there were 69 confirmed unprovoked shark attacks globally, in line with the 5-year average of around 63 incidents per year. Sadly, 14 fatalities were recorded, with 10 of them being unprovoked. Now, thinking from a shark's perspective, it's understandable, they're defending their territory. But for humans, there's now a way to stay safe without harming sharks. For around $300, you can get the eSpear, a handheld electrical shark deterrent that reduces the risk of an unwanted shark encounter. The eSpear is designed for spear fishermen, divers, and snorkelers who want protection from sharks, while ensuring no harm comes to them. It uses patented shark shield technology to create a 3-dimensional electrical field that targets the shark's sensitive snout receptors, causing discomfort and driving them away. This compact device is depth-rated to 328 feet, making it ideal for deep-sea activities. It automatically activates when the baton is extended, and conserves battery when retracted. The electrical field covers an area of up to 8 feet, 2 inches in length and 3 feet, 2 inches in diameter. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, the eSpear features an LED battery life indicator and can be charged wirelessly or through a 12-volt car or boat outlet. It's durable, fully encapsulated for underwater use, and can be easily attached to a dive belt, swimsuit, or trunks. For added convenience, an optional holster is available for thigh or calf attachment. With the eSpear, you can explore the ocean safely, knowing you have protection without causing harm to marine life. Menteebot. After robots like Sophia, Asimo, Digit, and Elon's robot, there's a new name in the world of robotics: Menteebot. Developed by Robotics, this advanced humanoid robot is designed for a wide range of tasks, both in homes and industrial settings. What sets Menteebot apart is its use of cutting-edge technologies. It integrates sim-to-real learning and nerve-based real-time navigation to give it human-like precision and dexterity. With the help of large language models, Menteebot can understand and execute verbal commands, making autonomous decisions on the go. This robot is incredibly versatile. It can walk, run, balance while carrying heavy loads, and even perform delicate tasks using its precise arms and hands. Menteebot learns new skills through simulated training before applying them in the real world, ensuring it can adapt to different tasks efficiently. While its abilities are impressive, some remain skeptical about how it will perform in real-world scenarios. Despite the doubts, Menteebot is expected to make a major impact when it's released in 2025. However, like many advanced robots, it may come with a high price tag. Interestingly, Menteebot doesn't have a head. Whether that makes it more or less intimidating is up for debate. But what's certain is that it comes with an impressive set of features. It has semantic knowledge of its environment, can interact visually with its surroundings, and uses sim-to-real transformation to bridge the gap between virtual training and reality. Menteebot's reinforcement learning takes place in a simulated version of itself, using unlimited data to continuously improve. It interacts with humans through voice commands and understands tasks, powered by advanced language models. With its ability to learn and mimic, Menteebot might remind you of science fiction. And while it's a technological marvel, maybe we should be careful what it watches on TV. Some movies might give it ideas. Shadow 6 Typhoon. The Shadow 6 Typhoon is an aquatic beast built for those who crave extreme performance on the water. This high-powered watercraft is driven by two Yamaha GP1 1800cc ski HR engines, which together generate an impressive 500 horsepower. With that power, the Typhoon can reach speeds of over 80 miles per hour, cutting through waves like nothing else. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and carbon fiber, this watercraft offers the perfect blend of strength and lightweight design. Despite its durability, it weighs just 2,365 pounds, making it both powerful and agile on the water. At 130 inches long, the Typhoon is built for speed and performance, but it doesn't sacrifice luxury. Step inside, and you'll find race-style seats, a carbon fiber steering wheel, and wireless Bluetooth connectivity, blending performance with modern convenience. The 37-gallon fuel tank allows for longer rides, ensuring your adventure won't be cut short. Its sleek, rugged design makes the Typhoon ready to take on even the most challenging water conditions. For those who seek both power and precision, the Shadow 6 Typhoon offers an unparalleled experience. Raptor X. Introducing the Hunter Nature Raptor X, a rugged and versatile off-road camping trailer. While the name might remind you of a dinosaur, this Raptor X is built for the wild outdoors. It's strong, fast, and perfect for adventurous campers. The Raptor X measures 16.7 feet in length, 6.7 feet in width, and 8.5 feet in height. Inside, you get a comfortable standing height of 6.2 feet. Despite its compact size, it's packed with features. Weighing 2,932 pounds, it can handle up to 3,968 pounds of load, making it a lightweight but durable trailer. Its body is made of aluminum and rides on independent suspension with double shock absorbers, which makes it highly capable of handling tough off-road terrain. The Raptor X also has a slide-out bed that measures 59 by 25 inches, comfortably providing 3 sleeping spaces. If you need more room, an adjustable table with a storage box allows you to add up to 3 more sleeping spots. This trailer is fully equipped for extended camping trips. It has a 37-gallon freshwater tank and a 21-gallon gray water tank. In the kitchen, you'll find a gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a Wemo refrigerator with a 76-quart capacity. For power, the Raptor X comes with a 420-watt solar system and a LiFePO4 battery with 200 amp hours. The battery system includes a 1,000-watt inverter, ensuring you have power whenever you need it. There are also 2 USB ports and LED lighting throughout the trailer for convenience. Additional features include a composting toilet, an outdoor table, and a pop-up roof measuring 43 by 67 inches with mosquito nets. For cooler weather, there's a diesel parking heater, and for hot water, you have an iMass gas water heater. You can also customize your Raptor X with several optional upgrades. These include a pull-out outdoor kitchen, air conditioning, air suspension, and a gas-free version with a 560 amp-hour battery. Built for modern comfort and off-road capability, the Hunter Nature Raptor X is ready to take your camping adventures to the next level. RYSE Recon. The future of ultralight flight. The RYSE Recon is an impressive US-made ultralight electric vehicle. Designed for agricultural and rural use, it offers vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for areas where traditional vehicles may struggle. This single-seat aircraft can reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour, with a range of 25 miles per charge. It's powered by 640-volt electric motors and 100-volt direct current batteries. One of the standout features of the Recon is its simplicity. It's controlled with a joystick, so you don't need a pilot's license to operate it. The vehicle is built on a sturdy aluminum frame, though future versions will be made with lightweight carbon fiber. It complies with FAA's Part 103 ultralight category, which limits the weight to 254 pounds and restricts flights over populated areas. In terms of safety, the Recon is designed to protect the pilot. It offers crash protection of up to 8 gigaseconds and has several safety redundancies. During a test flight, the Recon hovered 10 feet above the ground, smoothly responding to altitude, speed, and directional commands.